வெல்கம் பேக் டு கிட்ஸ் லேர்னிங் எக்ஸ்பிரஸ். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோன்னா, நேற்று பெண்டிங் ஒர்க்கு செகண்ட் கொஸ்டின்னு பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ அதில் என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்கன்னா, என்ன கோர்ஸ் பாசிட்டிவ் மார்க்ஸ் ஆர் given for every correct answer and negative marks are given for every incorrect answer. Jack scored total 5 several rounds where 25 minus 5 minus 10 15 and what was this total end? So in a several question, write marks for 5 successively round. The next statement, how much is scored? 20 minus 5 minus 10 15 and 10. So the next one, write total in the end, that is 25 it's 25. I have written wrong over here. So 25 minus 5 plus minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. That's given. The next, write, put is equals to sign and write 25 minus 5 minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. 25 plus 25 minus 15 minus 5 minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. So write it like this and down put is equals to again. So first plus minus, so we have to minus the inputs. 25 minus 5 20. So 20 minus this 10 plus 15 plus 10. So if there are two 10s and with the same symbol, means it will be staying. If it is there with a different symbol over here, plus here minus and a plus, so both will be cancelled. So both will be cancelled and the answer, that is 20 plus is there, so plus. So this minus will also be going while cutting. So plus 15, no, 5 zeros are 5, 2 ones 2 3s are 2 ones are 23. So answer, that is 33. We got the sum. Now we'll go to the next sum. So now we have finished the second sum. We have finished this sum. So we'll put a tick mark over here. Now we have to do the third sum. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature at Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature to this day? So now see this sum. So we'll be writing down our temperature on Monday. Temperature on Monday, that is minus 5 degrees Celsius. temperature on Tuesday, that is only 2 degrees Celsius plus 2 degrees Celsius. So temperature was increased on 4 degrees Celsius on Monday. Temperature was increased by Wednesday was 4 degrees Celsius. So temperature on Wednesday, so minus and plus 4, so let's do the sum. Okay, therefore temperature on Tuesday, they are asking about what is the temperature on that day. No, on which day? That is on Tuesday, the proper Tuesday. So we are finding that sum. So come on, let's see. Okay, so minus 5 and plus. So this is also becoming as minus 2. This will become as minus 2. So minus plus. So 5 plus 7. So 5 plus 2, it will give the result as 7. What 7? Minus 7. And Tuesday was minus 7 degrees Celsius. The temperature on the Wednesday was, so 7 minus 5. 7 minus 4. Temperature at Wednesday was minus 7 degrees Celsius plus 4 degrees Celsius is equals to 7 minus 4 is giving the result as 3. We have 7 and 4 is cut it, so we are remaining is 3. So 3 minus 3 degree Celsius is the answer for at the Srinagar temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius. So what that is the answer for the third question. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, comment, and next 2 videos will be uploading in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe our channel.